Do you know that STEM education in Singapore is a special set of curriculum based on the idea of educating students in 4 specific disciplines: science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Mathematics is referred as the basic founding stone of STEM, is often perceived to be a daunting subject for many students. When taught in the traditional way, is often difficult for some students to engage fully, which leads to a lack of understanding about essential mathematical concepts that interlink to physics and chemistry in advanced levels. The inevitable stress of exam-oriented rote memorization also kills young students' natural curiosity and interest level. Many children lose interest in science and mathematics as they get older when passive classroom learning fails to make the connection between theoretical knowledge and practical application in the world around them. Especially for girls who perceive STEM to be more challenging than boys. With recent announcement of up to 18 primary and secondary schools merger, the anxiety and stress factor of students are anticipated to go up. Likewise, to underscore the importance of STEM education, Singapore Manpower Minister Dr. Tan See Lang has established Nanyang Technological University (NTU) Education Endowment to support women pursuing education and careers in the fields of science, technology, engineering and math, STEM.
They're launching scholarships worth up to $50,000 annually for women pursuing STEM degrees. And in a bid to retain more women in the STEM industry, upcoming mentoring programs will pair budding engineers and scientists with female industry leaders.
STEM is where there will be continual abundance of opportunities, and we have to put in every ounce of effort to support women to enter and maximize their potential in the STEM fields in Singapore.
With the sudden onslaught of COVID-19 pandemic, causing global crisis like no other, a total disruption to many economies, causing many jobs and industries to be lost and beyond recovery. Employment survey shows that the COVID-19 pandemic had severely disrupted schools and delayed the career progression of young workers, suggesting that negative economic impacts on this age group may last well beyond the easing of the lockdown. Looking at the future of STEM job prospects, computer and information technology jobs are set to grow much faster than the average for all occupations, according to U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics (BLS). STEM jobs are projected to grow 11% from 2019 to 2029, which will create over 500,000 jobs in the global labor market. Human Resource Management Society predicts there will collectively be 3.5 million STEM jobs demand by 2025. The future of STEM educated graduates will be in high demand after COVID pandemic has passed. MathsMagik has partnered schools and conducted successful maths booster workshops for students over the last 20 years in Singapore. If you are looking for breakthrough in results for major exams this year, or feeling anxious due to your school and plan for a merging, click the QR code link for free trial maths booster holiday workshop.